Nokia, the most trusted phone brand, is back. If you're looking for an awesome budget 5G smartphone, then Nokia has something mind-blowing for you. Today, we're talking about a power-packed smartphone that comes with a stunning 150-megapixel DSLR level camera sensor. Yes, you heard that right, we're introducing the Nokia Lumia 200 Max 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its fully leaked specs, price, and launch date. So, buckle up and let's get started. Features of Nokia Lumia 200 Max 5G. Display. First up, the display. This beast packs a massive 6.79-inch Super AMOLED screen with 1.5K resolution. And guess what? It also rocks a 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it's IP68 rated, meaning it's dustproof and waterproof because accidents happen. DSLR level camera. Now, the real showstopper, the camera setup. This phone features a triple camera system, headlined by a jaw-dropping 150-megapixel primary sensor. And that's not all, it also includes 2 additional sensors for pro-level photography. And selfie lovers, rejoice! There's a 64-megapixel front camera to make sure your Instagram game stays strong. Processor. Under the hood, this phone is a monster. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring blazing fast performance. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 16 OS, smooth, sleek, and super responsive. Battery. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Lumia 200 Max 5G packs a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 100-watt ultra-fast charging via USB Type-C. Say goodbye to charging anxiety. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? Rumor has it, this powerhouse will be priced around $555. Pretty sweet for these specs. And as for the launch date, expect it to drop next year.